Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. Create or verify a Windows restore point and close resource-heavy apps. Install Driver Booster 12 and accept administrative privileges so drivers can update properly. Once installed, open the program and start the initial scan. You'll see drivers categorized as critical, recommended, or optional. This helps prioritize. Make sure to read the scan summary, because knowing which devices are impacted saves time and reduces reboot cycles later. Once done with the scan, review the list and select critical driver updates first, because those affect stability and security. For each driver, click the details icon to see version changes. This helps you understand why you're updating. Make sure to enable the driver backup option so you can roll back if needed, and then apply updates in small batches. If you prefer unattended maintenance, enable auto-download and schedule scans. This keeps your system current without constant manual checks. You finish by rebooting when prompted. Many driver installs require a restart to register kernel-level changes. After reboot, verify Device Manager to confirm no yellow warnings remain and test affected hardware to ensure functionality. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode and use Driver Booster's Restore feature to roll back the specific driver or revert to your Windows restore point. This recovers stability quickly. If issues persist, note the driver version and contact support with those details.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.